Hi, I'm Fox, and this is This Month in Things. I'm here to bring you the interesting things that happened over the last month in the world of IoT. We try to keep things quick and informative, so let's dive in. PacketWorks is creating a regional LoRaWAN network for the Philippines that will be open and accessible to anyone. They plan to cover 90% of the Philippines by deploying 2,500 gateways using the Things Network. The Things Network is a large community set out to build a public IoT data network. Leveraging this community, PacketWorks plans to help industries such as manufacturing, smart cities, buildings, and agriculture use this new network to create IoT solutions that add value to the Philippines. Large-scale deployments of LoRaWAN like this gives us more case studies on how to operate, manage, and use this network at scale. IoT is growing fast, but IoT is difficult. Many projects have failed to get over the hurdle of going from proof of concept to production. Despite all the challenges, Deloitte has pointed out 5 areas, they call them vectors, that we can use to measure the progress of the IoT industry. These 5 vectors are security, platforms, low cost and power efficient networks, artificial intelligence, and analytics on the edge. As you analyze the IoT space, these 5 vectors are the places that affect IoT's value and potential the most. You can find more of each of these vectors in the link below. A recent study on the future of industrial IoT predictive maintenance done by Emory University set out to gain the perspective of plant-level professionals when it came to the future of predictive maintenance and how it will affect their day-to-day operations. Overall, what they found was there is a gap in expectations between the plant employees and management. For example, they found that management understood the potential of predictive maintenance much more than the plant level employees. Most of them weren't even familiar with the concept of the digital twin. The most significant concerns of the plant professionals were the lack of knowledge and talent. On one hand, many are not familiar with Industry 4.0 concepts. On the other, solutions often require data scientists, and there is already a severe labor shortage there. Overall, I think studies like this show the need to build the proper resources and tools to help plant-level professionals implement and understand the potential of these new solutions. During Google Cloud Next, Google launched 2 new edge-focused products to help people build connected applications with machine learning. First, they released Edge TPU. This is a new chip designed to run TensorFlow Lite models on embedded systems with optimized performance and cost. The goal here is to have incredibly fast training in the cloud and process the models super fast at the edge, all using specialized hardware. Along with the chip, Google released Cloud IoT Edge. This software runs on Android Things or Linux OS based devices and lets you execute machine learning models on these devices. Right now, machine learning can have a significant impact on IoT, and these new tools can help enable that. Tommy Hilfiger is testing a new model for smart clothing by embedding crew necks, hoodies, and backpacks with chips that track how often people wear their products. Users can wear the items to earn points and earn extra points by visiting physical locations Tommy Hilfiger provides in their app. This approach is a little bit different from the other smart clothing we've seen. However, Tommy Hilfiger wants to create a micro community of brand ambassadors by rewarding individuals for wearing their products. We have to wait and see if this is a successful initiative, but nonetheless, it's an interesting business model and use case for IoT. A lot is going on with networks right now. 5G is becoming a reality, SpaceX is launching satellites to provide internet coverage to the world, and now Airbus is launching a new type of satellite. It's a high-altitude pseudo-satellite called Zephyr. It flies much higher than an aircraft, but much lower than a satellite. This new aircraft solves a lot of the same problems as traditional satellites like surveillance, environmental monitoring, and can even provide internet connections, but at a much cheaper cost. And that's where IoT comes in. This drone can provide a network to devices in desolate areas that couldn't be connected before, enabling more use cases in more places. Alright, that's all for this month. We have more details on every story we covered below. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, stay connected.